Hey guys, in this video, I will show you how to add a photo over a video in CapCut. Have you ever wanted to add an image on top of your video in CapCut but weren't sure how to do it? Overlaying photos on a video is a great way to make sure your content more engaging. Whether you want to highlight important details, improve explanations, or enhance the overall effect, adding images can make your video stand out. In this tutorial, I'll walk you through the step-by-step process of adding a photo over a video in CapCut. First, open the CapCut app on your device and then tap New Project to create a new video edit. Select and import the video that you want to edit. Once your video is in the timeline, type on Overlay from the bottom menu. Tap Add Overlay, which will open your device gallery. Choose the photo that you want to insert and add to place it in the timeline. Use your fingers to resize and move the image to the perfect spot on the screen. Drag the photo along the timeline to adjust when and for how long it appears. Repeat these steps if you want to insert more photos into your video. And that's it. Now you know how to add a photo over a video in CapCut. Thanks for watching and I'll see you on the next one.